Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to upload your own image on Recraft AI. So guys, after logging your account here, what you have to do, go to this option image, and from here guys, what you have to do, click this icon here, and after that drag your image from your computer and choose here drop. As you can see here, I drag my image here successfully without any problem, as you can see here on the screen, and you can resize your image as you can see here. This is easy, you can do. So guys, what you have to do, just click this option again and choose drag your image and move to here this place, as you can see here. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this tutorial helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. Guys, any question down below and comment here, and I will answer your question as soon as possible, guys.